you're obviously a mom, because only a mom would think of something like this, where other parents can bring their kids.
Right. So I have an amazing business partner. Her name's Virginia. She brings the artistic aspect here. She's out of town right now. She brings the artistic and the connection to homeschool. I also homeschool. And so, but my kind of, where I say I kind of bring in my little sort of creative side is more in the tinkering. And I pride myself in being a lifelong tinkerer. I, try little bits of all kinds of things. And so for me, that was important to bring into this space. It's a place where, you could just try. You could just follow an interest, follow your curiosity, put something together, see what comes out of it, cleaned up, and, it's a lot of mess. So in this space, you can see we don't worry about that. It can be messy, and that's okay.
Oh, I love this. But it's not just for kids. We get to do this.
We're here in the morning.
Yes.
You said at 1 o'clock the doors open to a camp?
Yes, so
and
we have.
What does that entail?
We have summer camp. There's a different theme every week throughout the summer, and kids are assigned. I think we have 15 to 20 kids usually every day, and we keep them for the afternoon. They do some tinkering, they do some structured projects, they go out to the park, and they're just active and busy the whole time. And like you said, being a mom, you don't always have that willingness to let that happen in your house.
Where were you when I was planning my summer, Erin, for our children? Seriously.
We'll make room for you.
This is just so wonderful.